Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in here real quick because at the last minute we were unable to get a video done, and I wanted to explain why there's no recipe video this weekend. And that is because Jeff is so busy trying to build the chicken coop, and he's been working a lot, at his full-time job. And I also did a very small launch of my new membership. I don't even know what to call it, like a program kind of thing. It's a membership site. So I've been super busy. He's been super busy. And we just decided that for our sanity, we needed to skip this Sunday's video. So we will be back next week with another recipe video for you guys. And if you have any questions, this video is going to be very short, so the chat won't last very long, but you can always email me, louise@thesaltedpepper.com, or we can chat next Sunday or Tuesday for Tasty Tuesday. All right, guys, sorry for the late notice. Bye.